So I took sales, and I got put in a little late. My goal was to be in right there, right at the break, but it's all good. We're in a little bit of profit. We're in a little bit of profits. All right, we're dropping. We are dropping. It's on low risk today. We're almost at TP1, and I'm not going to be greedy today. And this candle is kind of sitting in that little demand zone right there. So I'm a little skeptical, but we'll see. Boom, we just hit TP1. Nice, beautiful move. Nice move. And perfect. Just beautiful. I got what I needed off GJ on my Forex funding traders challenge account. But I really want a futures setup right now. I really want like Nas to set up. I could have taken a super aggressive trade, but I don't really like how it looks. I could have taken a super aggressive trade, but I'm good, and I'll just wait. I'll wait for probably about another 30 minutes. All right, what's good, gang? Let's get into this breakdown. But first, before that, guys, thank you for the little bit of interaction I'm getting from you guys. Thank you for that. Appreciate you guys. But let's get into this. Oh, one other thing. So for whatever reason, don't know why, but my camera just stopped recording audio like 2 days ago, and I had no idea because I haven't gotten to getting ready to edit. I haven't gotten to editing the videos until right now, and I just realized that all the audio was gone. So I'm just gonna do breakdowns of the trades for the week, and I'm gonna just have to do it like that. So you're gonna see me like wearing the same thing for a couple of different days, but it's gonna be in this version because recording it on this camera right here that you're looking at is not producing volume, and I'm not a tech guy, so I have no idea why. It's not like it's broken or anything. It's kind of a new camera, got it last year, but yeah. So anyway, let's get into this GJ breakdown. This GJ breakdown I took on Wednesday. This GJ trade I took on Wednesday. I took sales on it, and all right. So basically, let's take it from the higher time frame. When I came to the charts, I saw that GJ was rejecting this area by these rejection candles, and I saw that we were also in line with this higher time frame major supply zone right here that also matched up with additional rejection areas in another major supply zone on the 1 hour time frame, right? So that was the first thing that I noticed when I came to the charts on Wednesday for New York session. So came down to some of the lower time frames and just to get some more information, and it was very, very clear that we were rejecting with all of these rejection candles, right? So when we go down to my entry and my setup time frame, we got this like quadruple top, but then we got, wouldn't you know, aggressive selling. We got aggressive selling and what? A break of structure. You can call this the break of structure or that, or this the break of structure. I don't know if it really matters, but I just kind of like to go with the lowest low. And I like to see candlestick bodies break the low. I don't like to see wicks just wick through it and come all the way back. I don't like that. I like to see candlestick bodies. So this was obviously the body that broke it. It looks a little better on the 15-minute time frame, right? But I was very cognizant. I was very aware that we were on this higher time frame demand level, the support, I'll say. Let's just call it a support. We were here, and I was very aware of that. So on the higher time frame, we had breaks of structure. We had structure that was broken. We broke structure to the upside, but when we got here, we made a triple top and then a break of this low here. So I said, all right, I'm a bet on sells because of this rejection and the higher time frame confluence from the other from over there, from way to the left from the past. So anyway, back down to my the 5 minute, and by the time I came to the charts, man, we were right here. We were right here already, and pulling back into this supply zone that the aggressive selling left. So I just marked it up, and I basically bet that we were going to reject here and probably get no further than around this area, around here with all these wicks, right? Somewhere around here. So I said, yeah, we probably won't get no further than there if we reject at all, right? So we pulled in, tapped into the demand supply zone. First rejection candle, I was like, okay, I like that candle. But then the next candle kind of threw me off. But because I know that when candles start to look funny around a level of supply and demand, all of it means rejection. Even though any other place, this is a strong, this is a strong bullish sign. But when you get into these levels of supply and demand, every single candle that doesn't look like a strong candle is a rejection candle. So if I remember correctly, I hopped in on not that candle, even though I was ready to, but I didn't because I was kind of distracted, to be honest with you. I was a little distracted, and I wanted to take the break of this candle. That was my goal, but I got a little distracted, and I hesitated a little bit, to be honest, when I shouldn't have. But we took the break of that, and boom, we dropped right in to TP1 and just a little further. And I basically when we got down here, let's see if the 1 minute, we'll see if we can go down to the 1 minute. Yeah, when we got down in here, we started to play around, and I held it up to right here, and then when it pulled back, I just closed it right there. I literally just closed it right there. So I got entered in down here when I shouldn't have hesitated, and I should have just took. I honestly should have taken an aggressive entry right here as soon as the candle closed, but I was like, yeah, it makes more sense to wait until the candle breaks. I waited till the candle broke, but then I hesitated a little bit, and I was distracted. Yeah, I was distracted, so I got entered in here, so that affected my risk to reward, put my stops above the level, or my stops above the wicks, and that was pretty much it. I took it, and that was it. And then after that, next candle came a little deeper, but I was already out, and we started to play around for a while. Came back, started to reject the supply zone a little more, but then after a while, we just took off. And that was Wednesday's trade. I was looking for some future setups on NAS. But Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken, I didn't really find anything. Yeah, Wednesday. I mean, it's not that I didn't find it. I just didn't see exactly what I wanted, right? Like when I came to the charts, you know, this shot up and then the open candle brought it back to this support right here. But then never gave me an opportunity to enter when I was hoping for this demand level to set up and potentially play out, but it never did, obviously. They just brought it back into this support, got their discount and took off. And then they came and started to break and retest this area a couple of times. And you know, I looked for this setup, but it was sloppy and it never played out. And the S&P was actually this was a little bit of a better setup, but I never took it. Never took that. Yeah, so GJ was the move that I caught for the day. Yeah, that's what I caught for the day. There wasn't anything else. There wasn't anything else super clean, to be honest. Not that I wanted to take, other than like, okay, if I wanted to take a break and retest, but this rejection and then the break of this structure did not make me feel good. One thing I could have done was take this demand zone, but it was at 615 and I didn't know what was going to happen. I didn't know if we were going to just come right back up here and reject, or what the open candle would have done. So I just didn't take it. You know, I just left it alone. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, because I got to the charts at like 6:15 or something like that. Anyway, this was a smooth setup, a quick 1-to-1, and I was happy with it. So yeah, I was happy with that. But guys, I appreciate the support. I appreciate the you know, just a little bit of extra followers. I appreciate you guys. You know, I'm gonna rock with whoever rocks with me. Honestly, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rock with whoever rocks with me. You know, because I'm here giving free, free information, free. I'm just trying to add some value however I can. You know what I mean? It's fun for me. You know what I mean? It's fun, and yeah, I'm enjoying it. So, you guys, I appreciate you guys. Don't forget, if you are liking this content, to like, subscribe, and leave a little comment, because I respond to everything, and I respond pretty quickly too, because it just comes to my phone, and it's not like I'm getting like, a 500 or 50, comments. I can respond. I'm not weird like that. But anyway, guys, appreciate you guys. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. But I'm about to go and make another video for the other setups that I took today on Thursday and today on Friday. So I got videos coming today and maybe tomorrow. So peace.